Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am Dveet, a Google Level 1 educator, and here I am going to talk about the greatest application known as Google Sites. Now, if you have not seen my previous video on Google Sites, please go on there, and this is the second part of how we can make our site much more little bit better. Now you must have seen that sites are having many of the things. Okay, there are many having interactive things, and the previous time we have also learned how we can make the sites. So what you have to do to make a completely free new site, you have to just go log into your gmail.com. Okay, just for example, you must be having your Gmail ID and password. So you have to just enter like this. So it will look like this. This is a Gmail. Then after here, when you click on this 9 by 9 dots, okay, there are some applications available over here. So you can see there are many applications available over here, and we will talk all this application one by one. We have already talked about the previous Google Docs. So if you have not seen that video, please go in the description box and check that video also. Now here we are to make Google Slides. Okay, so I will just click on new if I want to just make a Google Sites. Now obviously it is not available in the waffle, which is over here. You can see over here it is not available in the waffle, so that is the reason we are just typing out. But there is no need to worry. You have to not remember many of the things. You have to just type sites.google.com, simply like that, sites.google.com. So once you click on that, you will be coming to the front page like this. And then as I told you, okay, you can take any of the template. You can see my first video also, to be very much carefully, the first video you can see any of the template, or otherwise you can just create a blank. So yesterday, the previous time, you know that we have created a site named gym. Okay, so similarly over here, let us see how we can make it much more little bit better. Okay, so if you have not seen my first video, please do check it out, otherwise you'll not understand what is actually going on. So over here, so suppose if I'm making a new site, completely new site, so I will click on this. This is the blank site, and then I have to give the title of the slide. So just let it get it open, and then we will just give the title of the sites. So as you can see, this is the main page, okay, of the sites. And if you want to give any of the sites name, so you can give. So today I'm going to make a site related to friends. Now, obviously, what is your page title? So if you want to write down any of the page title, my best friend, whatever you want to write down, my best friend. Or suppose if you're opening a restaurant, okay, or if you want to just give your restaurant sites, okay, everything could be made over here, and it can be published very much easily without any cost, without anything else. Obviously, if you write this like this background, you can do it, or otherwise you can select an image. Okay, so a prefix image are there available in the gallery. Suppose if you are not liking that prefix image, you can even search for an image. Okay, so I'm just searching. Let us see, okay, if I search for friends, which kind of image I can put on that. Okay, so there are many things. So could I enter this one? I think so. This is from the serial. So I can just write it down. Yes, it can see that it is just adjusting. So it will look like something like this. If you're not liking this kind of thing, so you can change your background or something like that. Okay, because generally I'm not liking the way it is working. So I can just select any of the other this also. So I will just search again, friends, and I will see that if there is any good one which can be established. Okay, I hope this could be selected, or you can select any, or otherwise if you have a prefix image of the computers, okay, in the computers also you can select the file. Okay, you have to go to the same thing, change the image and upload using the computer also, you can do it. Okay, so previous time we have learned also, okay, we can enter a text box over here. Okay, the suppose in the this over here nothing is there, so I can obviously add a text box and I can enter all the details whatever is there. Okay, so my best friend is the name you can give. Okay, or otherwise you can do many things, okay, you want. Okay, and here we are today to make a new site. Okay, so something like that you can do it. Okay, obviously if you want to increase the site, you select it. Okay, you can increase the size also, you can increase as a title also, you can do it like this, or you can make many changes. Okay, if you want to make it bold, you can make it bold also, you can make it italic also, so many of the things you can do it. Okay, so this is the main thing that you have to take care. Now this, so we have already done previous time also. What is the new things that we are going to learn this time? Obviously there are many other things that you can add over here. Okay, such as, obviously if you want to add any table of content, but that is okay, that is not that much useful. But yes, obviously image. Okay, so if you want to go like this, Now over here you can see that they are asking over here, okay, you have to at least have 2 images for this kind of thing. So and you have seen this kind of things. Okay, so let me just enter any 2 images and let me show it to you. Always you can upload the image from your computer if you want. Okay, you are having the image on the computer, you can upload, but right now I'm not wasting my time in uploading the photos which I have. Rather than that, I will just search the image. Okay, if it is possible, I will just search the image. Okay, so I will just search the image in the Google Images. Let me just okay, friendship quotes. Let me just check it out, okay, whether there is any images that I can get. Okay, this is a good image. I think I should insert this one. Okay, I need to enter one more images. Okay, so that's, let me just wait to get it uploaded, or otherwise, as I told you, you can even upload it from your this one, from your computer. So there is no need to worry about that. Okay, so there are many options available. So right now, suppose if you are opening a restaurant, so what happens now, you see that if different dishes are coming, okay, on your face. I will just show it to you how it will work. Okay, so again, let me just find out any other images. Okay, you can find out any other images. Yes, maybe anyone. Okay, that is not, this is to just an example to just show it to you. I've already done this, so maybe let me do this one. Okay, I will insert it, and one more if I want to add, I let me add one more so that you can see it very much properly. Okay, how this works. Okay, again, friendship quotes. No, I'm sorry, I'm going in the wrong place. Friendship quotes. Okay, and over here I can just add this one. Okay, sure. So I just completely added 3 images over here at least. So let me just place on insert. It will take us little time to upload, and then after we will see at the end how it will look. Okay, all these 3 images where I've gone over here. Okay, so I've added 3 images over here. Now let us see how these 3 images will look, but that we will see little bit later when we are doing the actual site. Obviously, if I want to add pages, I have told you last time also what you have to do. You have to go to the pages, and over here there is a plus sign. Okay, so therefore you can just enter a page name. So what you want to add, my first friend. Okay, suppose my best friend, I'm a student, I want to make a best friend list, or as a teacher I want to make classes. Okay, that is also very much important. I'm a class teacher. Okay, or I'm a teacher. So what I will do, I will just make new pages. Okay, for 10th day this is the class, for 8th you have to go in this page, this page, this page. So something like that you can always keep on entering. So my first friend number 1. Okay, so then I will just add it. So you can see the new page also look like this. If you don't like this image, you can enter his or her image. Okay, it is just like what you can say in Facebook we enter this images, so something like that only. So if you want to, you can upload also. Or right now I'm just selecting the picture. I don't like this page which is at the behind, so I'm just selecting a prefix picture, or otherwise yes, obviously you can go and search also, or you can even, I think so in this case 99% everyone will upload their friend's photo. Okay, so you can just enter any one of the photo. I need a friend like this. Let me just enter. Let us see how it is looking. Otherwise we can always change it also. So I think it is completely fine. I think it is much more better. Okay, so I will go in insert. Okay, let me go in insert, and in text. Okay, text box, I will enter my friend's details. So this is my friend number 1. Okay, he or she is very good in dance. Okay, I hope when you look this video, you will be amazed. Okay, so something like that, you can just enter your details of your friends and something like that. And then yes, obviously you want to enter the videos also. So what we will do, we will insert the video over here. Very much simple. How to insert a video, sir? We have to just go over here, and over here there is a sign of YouTube. Okay, you can upload the, obviously there is a directly, so there will be a slight problem to upload. So what you can do, you can upload your friend's video in the YouTube, and from YouTube you can just drag it over here. So right now I'm just entering my own video. Okay, so let us see whether I'm able to find out. Okay, Google Docs by Dveet. Okay, if I'm not able to find out, then I will just yes, it is there. Okay, so this is Google Docs by, it is my video only. I will just select it, and you can see that I will just paste it over here. So whenever someone comes, you can just, they can go over here and the side, and they can just click over here, and then they can see the video of mine. Okay, so something like that is not very much useful, okay, to be there. Okay, and yes, obviously if you want to change these directions, obviously you can every time change it. Okay, suppose if you want to write beside this, okay, suppose the video is over here and beside this you have to write it down, so you can do that also by changing the layout. Okay, but then also if you have not forgot to change out your layout and then you think like that, I want to insert something, I forgot that. Okay, so obviously there is a option of placeholder, so you can see over here the placeholder is there. You can just drag that placeholder over here, and then there is a plus sign, so you can do anything, whatever you want. You can add a calendar, you can do anything, whatever you want, maps or something like that. You can always do that very much easily. Okay, so these are the main things that you have to take care. It is very much simple and basic, and it will like it. Okay, now suppose your friend one has suppose you want to insert another page of friend two. Let me just show it to you, and then the 3 pages will be created. Friend two, okay, done. Okay, so if I just click on friend 2, obviously the same picture it will take from the previous one. If you want to reset, you can just change the image. If you want, you can just select the image, and let us see. Okay, I will just select, I will not waste time. I will just select this. I don't want to make video bigger. Yes, this is my friend number 2. Now, obviously, when I go to insert, there are many other things that you can add. For example, if you want to say that, okay, my friend 2 is having a business. Okay, he is having a very good business. So just I will write it down a text box. He has, okay, he has a very good business or something like that. Whatever you want to enter, you can enter it down. And the address, okay, so suppose last time also I have told you, okay, you can even insert address. So let me see, I will just go to where insert option, and in that I will go to maps. Okay, you can see over here maps are there. So suppose if you're opening a restaurant or if you're opening a many things, okay, I cannot tell you, you can always go to maps and you can enter your location. Okay, so it is very much easy, everyone knows. So I will just enter right now Rajkot. Let me enter this. Okay, and it will show you this is the location, whether you want to enter this location. So I will tell yes. So I will just select, and let us see how it will look. So obviously when the other person will come, okay, he or she can see that, okay, yes, this is the place where the person is staying. Okay, or maybe some business. Okay, or if you're setting a restaurant business, or if you're setting a small business, or you have a business, and if you want to expand this, okay, using this Google Sites, you can always, you can just show your products over here. You can just enter the images. Okay, many things are there. Okay, you can enter the docs also. Suppose if you want to enter a file, okay, in which the price list is there, you want to enter the sheets, forms. Okay, forms in the sense, I will tell you, forms are very much important in our life. Okay, if you want to take a survey, okay, after I teach you forms, and then you can obviously embed a form also over here. So there are many other things that can be done. Now suppose if you feel like that, I don't want to, because my friend is friend 2 is very much talented, he has many of the things. Okay, I don't want them don't want to make a new page. Okay, this page is little bit small for me. Okay, now the page content, I don't want to make very much big page. So what I can do, I can always, as I told you, enter a sub page also. So you will go to friend 2, and over here you will click, and there is an option to add a sub page. Okay, so you can give the further information or further detail, whatever you want to give. Further details, done. Okay, so you can see over here the further details come, and it comes under friend 2. Please take care, it comes under friend 2. Obviously you can insert many of the things. You can insert the images. Okay, obviously of friend 2, you can give the name, or suppose this time I will just create a layout. Okay, it will be better. Okay, here you can select an image, whatever you do, you can upload it also, or you can enter a YouTube video or calendar or whatever you want. Okay, calendar in the sense, if you want to see the appointment slot. So suppose someone is giving some kind of appointments, okay, as a dentist or doctors or something like that, so they can also give the calendar also. From that the patients or something like that. Okay, or if you want to make a reservation, okay, in a hotel, so you can obviously enter a calendar also. That also I will teach you how we can create an appointment slots. Okay, so that you can, as a teacher also, you can just give an appointment to the parents, okay, when they can come and meet us, and we can always get a reminder for that. Very much nice. Okay, applications. Okay, YouTube, you can select an image obviously, and then you can enter. So I can just select an image of any of the person, whatever I want, and then I can give the related things to that. Okay, so I will just search for maybe not too much friendship code, because I'm just creating the page using friendship. Maybe any of the thing I can enter right now. Okay, this one I like it. I will insert, and obviously over here I will edit down. Okay, this is my best friend photo. Okay, or this is the place when I visited. Okay, so you can make your own diary also. You think like that, okay, this is the place I visited. Okay, this was a very nice place. Okay, something like that. Okay, So rather than making a Facebook video or Facebook this, it will be not difficult. Okay, I don't like it all this kind of Facebooks and all that kind of things. Okay, but yes, obviously, if we have this social media account, we can obviously use this also as a social media account also. So you can see over here, my details are there. Obviously, if you want to insert many of the things, you can insert it. So once I go to home, I know that here I have added a video and I've done like that. Okay, but as I told you, I don't want this one to go like this. I want to give the link for them. So obviously, what I told you, remember, I think so. We'll go to where in the home page. Obviously, we'll click on text box. Okay, you want to enter over here, it's okay. Suppose if you feel like that you want to enter after the video or after the photo, you can enter, you can drag it up to here. Then obviously you can insert a link. Okay, link to which page. So suppose I want to add a friend one. Okay, so here I will just write down friend one, and then okay, obviously if you want to change the name, you can change the name. You can give the name also of the friend one. Okay, whoever your friend is there, you can give the name. These are my friends list. Okay, similarly I want to add one more maybe link, so I will just add over here in text box and over here link. Okay, friend 2, or maybe further details, detail of my friend 2. Okay, detail of my friend 2. Okay, done. So we'll just click on apply. Now you can see that the links are being already embedded. Now let us see how this actually looks. I told you also like how this will also look. Okay, the photos, the 3 photos I have selected. Let us check. Okay, so whenever you want, before publishing, obviously we have to check. So here there is a sign of preview, so we can, let us see that in the preview how it looks like. Okay, so it looks like this. Okay, obviously this background I also don't like it out. Okay, so no problem, you can change the background and in the time whatever you want. Okay, this is the desktop version, how it will look. Let us see. Now here you remember I have selected 3 videos, so or 3 photos, so you can see over here I will play next, next, next. Okay, so you can see that photos are being selected like this. Okay, so you have seen the gallery has been made. Okay, photo gallery has been made. So I don't want to place different, here one photo, here one photo, here one photo, here one photo. I can just make a gallery. Okay, I can give a title also. Okay, this is my best friend gallery, and I can always keep on changing. If you want to add more photos, you can add. Right now I think so only 2 photos were been uploaded, but yes, obviously you can add many photos if you want. Suppose if you want to go to other page, you can go over here, friend number 1. You can go to the page and you can see that, okay, this is, I have written friend spelling wrong, but it's okay. Okay, no need to worry about that. Okay, and then yes, obviously we can just go over here. Correct, we can just go over here, we can just write down all the things, and then we can even see the videos. Okay, over here I can just click over here and I can see the videos also, whatever I want. Okay, suppose if I want to go to friend number 2, so I will go that over here. Okay, he is a very good business, and let us see how the maps will look. Okay, so you can see over here the maps will be automatically look. So if you want to expand, you can expand also, you can just mute also, and you can just give a direction also. Okay, so suppose if you feel like that person, if you are giving a hotel, okay, this is my new hotel, please come over here. So obviously they can just come over here and just click it, and then they will get it a proper direction. Further details, how it will look, let us see in the friends page only. I told you there is a further details. So this is my friendship, this is a very nice place to go, and this all things are there. Sir, obviously if you want to see in the mobile version, because mobile is much more useful now, because mobile is only there. So obviously I will go over here. This will be how it will be looking in the mobile. So let us see in home how it will look. Okay, the home page will look like this something, and then you can just scroll it down with the help of a touch. Okay, or it can be done automatically also. Okay, so you must have seen that it is done automatically also, very much good. So suppose there is a link, so a person will click the link and then it will go to the second page, or otherwise they can directly click over here in the mobile and then they can go to the second page. They will have a YouTube video also and all that kind of things. Obviously they can go to this also, the friend 2 page number also. He has a very good business, and automatically a map will pop up, and then they will click it down, and then they will directly reach to their destination. Not very much good. Okay, further details, obviously they can go to the further details and they can find out, okay, what are the things. So in short, this is the way you can create a normal site. Okay, with these tools you can do many things. Okay, I've seen many of the sites which actually, if you see the site which is paid version and the site which is made by the Google, I have seen that many of the sites of Google are actually very much good. Okay, because I have seen many students with wonderful ideas. They are just putting their drawings, they are doing this, they are doing that. I have seen many Google sites. Okay, I want you also, students, teachers, and all the things, you please create your own Google site, and please mention in the chat box. Okay, or whatever, wherever you want to mention, you just just mention in the chat box. I will love to see that site, okay, how you have made it. And I will also help you if you have any kind of doubt. Okay, so suppose you can just add me as a collaborator. I can always help you. You can add it over here. And once you feel like that, all the things are completed, so obviously I will give on publish. So that I have already told you in the previous also, you have to give some name to the sites. Okay, so Dveet friends. Okay, because what I want to do, I don't want to mix up the things. So if I do friends now, it will be, I think so, not that much useful. So Dveet friends. Okay, I think so it is available. So suppose if I just write down friends, then let us see whether it is possible or not. I don't think it will be possible because it has already been taken. So Dveet friends. Okay, so maybe this will be there. Okay, so it will be shown tick, it is there, you can publish it. Okay, so that means if you give the site to this one, okay, so it will be very much useful. Okay, so that is a very good thing. Okay, you can be done. And yes, obviously you can publish this also. Very much nice, very much proper. Okay, so I hope you can like this video and you will subscribe my channel. And if you want further more videos, obviously you have to subscribe it. And next time we will learn a very useful tools of Google, that is Google Forms. Okay, you will 100% like that Google Forms. So please stay tuned to this channel and subscribe it. And even if you have seen this video and if you feel like that it's very much useful, then please like it also. Thank you so much and have a nice day.